Morning, Diligence, 12th January, boring like a hell, but let's have a look what's happening on Bitcoin price action, Ethereum and on cryptocurrency market. From liquidation perspective in the last 24 hours, that's actually crazy. 52,000 almost traders got liquidated on Sunday. So instead of chilling out, you just got liquidated. 116 million is a lot, but the biggest liquidation OKX for 1.6 million. Fuck, this is decent money. Probably this for this guy is nothing. I don't know. Maybe it's a lot, but this is really the big amount. It's a bit sad. Okay, it's just 1 hour. If I zoom out for 24 hours, we will see actually a lot of long liquidations for others. Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Doge, these are the short liquidations. I mean, short are exceeding the long, but the others actually still long. I understand it very well. So if we look into the Bitcoin price action from the wealth perspective, this is what happened here at 92. It's decent and crazy. I hope you agree. I really think that 92 was the bottom. I recorded the video, posted it exactly here. And let's see, we will see and know very, very soon. We had a dump here on Monday to start the week high and close week low. Now we will start week low, we can close it high. So there is such possibility. I personally think this was the bottom, because if you look into the altcoins, this is exactly how it looked. In terms of the heat map, if you zoom out for the yearly time frame, we will see that we are green. We were at on December and November when we pumped like hell, in March the same, but everything else afterwards was cool. When we look at the big four, Bitcoin is like ready to pump actually. It's like basically ready to pump. And all the rest, like US 100, US 500, also are exactly at the bottom where the pump was coming. So the setup actually looks quite decent. And the all technical stuff are actually favoring pump up instead of the dump. If you look 12 6 months candles, we look fine. If we compare monthly candles to gold ETF, this is what's coming, next 3 months pump. And generally where we are going, it's at least 1 million for the next 3-4 years, maybe 5. On the monthly time frame, RSI still a lot of place to go. Together with the price, naturally, right? RSI will not go alone, it will go together with the price of Bitcoin. Here I put like multiple indicators, but I will not bother you guys about it. It's a very technical stuff. For Algo, Ethereum chart looks shit. The more shit it looks, the bigger pump will be. And the Ethereum monthly chart looks actually decent for the long setup. 3,200, I think that's basically bottom for ETH. And if we look past, we have very similar situation, which would actually mean we pump in Feb. But let's see this, okay? If that's the case, other option that we are somewhere here, I don't know. In both cases, we are going higher for Ethereum, and that's fact. Ethereum to Bitcoin looks as it looks, right? That's a decent setup. Bitcoin dominance. It can go higher, but hey, here you have the rights, and the risk reward is in your favor, right? If it's going even here, it's not that bad. You are not here, rather. You are not here. You are not here. You have the reasons why you should now think that the Bitcoin dominance can drop. We have the reasons. If it repeats, it can drop very hard. It can drop also differently because there is a lot of money flowing there. But in any case, it's worth to position yourself to altcoins, at least at the spot market. All others, crypto excluding top 10, it was a decent pullback and it looks like a decent setup. Actually, yeah, others got a lot of, this dump 1 to just 3 days, basically cleaned up whole market. In 3 days, we erased everything what was bulled since a month. And that's the ugly side from others. They tend to have a very ugly corrections. Large caps for altcoins. XRP looks just gorgeous. ADA starts following, and Doge also got some volume. Large caps start pumping. Alt season is sitting at 50 and looks like doesn't want to go lower. So if it don't go lower, it will go higher. There is a constant move in nature. Remember, there is no same price every day. If we look into the cycle lows for Bitcoin, we are exactly at the lows. So not perfect. If we look at the Glassnode, we are almost at the bottom, and according to the history, and inauguration of Trump could be the final bottom before the next pump, if the situation repeats. Bitcoin rainbow chart. Bitcoin always, never say always, right? Bitcoin, there is a big chance Bitcoin will test and go to orange and yellow, which means 200, 300k at least. Stock to income stays the same. ETF inflow outflow, nothing happened over the weekend. Liquidation heat map, a lot of below and above us, we are ranging. Ethereum quarterly retros, we are red. The more red we are today, the more can we be tomorrow. Bitcoin number 7 asset, it lost some money, but hey, we speak trillions and it can very fast replace gold very soon. Bitcoin percentage addresses is lost. Basically everyone is in profit, right? Because we just had all-time high. So that's how it looks like. VDD, value days destroyed. We printed over bought per meter in December. That's why January is to rest a little bit. MVZ core and everything else looks decent. So basically, like, just stay patient and wait for the pump, guys. So my tone was today the same like a day. We have a Sunday. Let's chill out, rest, and talk to you tomorrow. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe the channel so we can grow it to the better and higher levels. Ciao.